Hi everyone, my name is Karina. I'm co-founder of Taqadam. We make visual data AI ready, and we bring work opportunity to youth in a post-conflict economies.
Hi, I'm Wissam from Iraqi Kurdistan, Erbil. I'm an Android developer and the tech co-founder of Taqadam.
When we think of artificial intelligence, we often think of singularity. Robots take over. But think about it this way. It's about machines see what we see and understand what we understand. We see elephants. Machines see an array of pixels, unless visual data is trained. Humans generate gigabyte of data daily, visual data daily. Satellites, drones, and CCTV cameras produce millions of gigabytes of data daily. It's often underused because it's missing asides or metadata. The process is called image annotation. Companies see a tremendous value in recognizing what is within the image to optimize the existing operations and processes with AI. But they spend 80% of their time, engineer time, to build a data set. The industry is $5 billion, and it's growing. This is where Taqadam comes in. We offer on-demand, vertical-specific image annotation at scale. This is Sandus. I met her last year in Lebanon in a digital course for refugees. There are hundreds of those running in post-conflict countries that host the largest number of refugees. But the employment rate in Lebanon and Iraq hits 40% because there are no jobs within the borders of the country. But what is the difference between the refugee with a smartphone and a digital nomad? Our annotators work on the mobile phone from home at a flexible time. We built a technology, cloud architecture API, that allows companies to process their image data in a simple and secure way. We process it through our gamified mobile application and bring team of refugees to work on a client data set. We built an API, an Android application that we launched last spring. Let's go back to elephant use case at environmental protection. For example, the client uploads 100,000 of images through our portal. We process it with the specifically trained for the use case collaborative team of refugees. They work on a mobile phone and get paid using a mobile wallet in the country where they're at. And client gets data ready for AI at the price of 25 cents per annotation. We already deployed 50 people in Lebanon. They're currently working full-time with us on the project.
And just 2 days ago, we deployed another 50 in Iraq, Kurdistan.
But our scalability is 1,000 because we don't bring them from the street. We actually bring them from existing digital courses that run in the country as part of the livelihoods program. We're currently working on the projects, complex projects, like we have clients and friends as well, on a CCTV camera, complex segmentation task, or satellite imagery, and our estimated revenue by end of year is 70,000. We pay them for performance, but we ensure the minimum hourly pay for dollars. With us, they make double poverty threshold, but it's only the beginning. Taqadam means progress in Arabic. We buy them time with the minimum income that they make to upskill and learn. It's a video, but I guess I don't know. But this is
There's a big market need.
Yes.
Because everyone is working on artificial
testimony,
intelligence.
but like I can skip.
Have you heard the artificial intelligence?
Awesome, cool. Thanks, great presentation. So what is the refugee journey? So first you have a training session like that, just one, and then they go home and they can work from home?
Yes. So the idea is that we collaborate with the existing digital courses in the country. So there are actually the courses that train them on image annotation, but they don't have a job. So we just building the bridge between the companies in the US, France. So there's a training. We partner with the company, with the actual NGO. So we entity to entity, we B2B. And then they have a direct connection with the refugees. The only thing that we do currently is to onboard them. So like we show them how to upload, how the app works. So it's like took 3 hours in Erbil 2 days ago. And we train them sometimes in the use case, which is like for satellite imagery, we need to explain like little things. But normally we can do it totally online as well. Like they also know each other. So they help each other on board. So it's champion model.
What stage is the company at? When did you start it? What level are you at now? Are you bootstrapping it? Are you fundraising? What are you doing?
So we started last fall exactly at this Techfugees. So we built MVP with Wissam in spring. We have a revenue. We estimate 70,000 by end of year. We got some funding from AWS Accelerator in the US called PSTAC. And we also got some angel funding.
And my favorite question, which I'm going to steal, is what's your biggest challenge right now?
To be honest, our biggest challenge is scale, learning to scale fast. So we have 5 people in the team. We have 3 developers,
Right.
1 machine learning person in New York with some CTO.
So talent, you need to bring more talent on board.
Very quickly
hire more people.
because yes, we sell a lot of images and we have a technology that still needs
Good problem to have.
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Awesome. Thank you very much. Fantastic. Taqadam.